this video, we will learn how to navigate the group page on Catalyst so that you can get the most out of the groups you join. One of the many benefits of using Catalyst is being able to collaborate with educators from all over by joining groups. Groups are a shared space and a trusted professional learning network, offering mutual accountability, like a gym buddy. Groups allow teachers with shared goals and interests to come together virtually for discussions, collaboration, and shared learning. You can even use groups to manage your existing networks, like the department in your school, your district, your state language association, or any other professional group that you already belong to. Groups on Catalyst provide you with one focused online space to document your professional growth, collaborate with others, share evidence and reflections from daily work, and participate in professional discussions that will help you grow. Once you're logged into Catalyst, in the top center of the home screen, you'll see My Groups, information about the groups to which you currently belong. When you click to enter any of the groups you belong to, you will be taken to the group's homepage. Along the top of the page, you will see buttons to access basic group information, a list of members and member goals, and the small group chat room. Scrolling down the page, you will see focus criteria, which are the TEL sub-criteria goals that have been chosen by group administrators to be the focus of this particular group. You will also see group announcements, current and past discussions, and spaces for sharing of evidence and reflections with group members. If you do not see one or more of these sections, it may be because your group administrator has chosen to disable them.